It was a 2008 Lincoln Town Car. My power window switches broke and I ordered a new part. This is the original part off of Rock Auto. It was around about $30 with shipping. Once again, this is the original that I'm removing. The two of the switches aren't working. All right, so to remove this, it's very simple. This is a quick video. I have already popped this out, but the one that's online isn't real clear, and there's a little trick to this. First thing is you want to use these pry tools because you don't want to damage anything. I highly recommend that you pry this up from the front first, then the side and the back. I'm going to take this out and let you see what it looks like. Okay, so once you've pried the part out and up, you'll want to remove the plugs in the back. There's little tabs you got to squeeze here, guys. You've seen them. These plugs can only go in one way. They're all unique, so they'll only fit in one hole, so not too much to worry about. Once you pry the part out, this is what holds it in. You can see there's a tab there with that metal clip, and then there's a tab on the side, and then there's a tab in the back. So when this is in, when the part's installed, you can see the tab here. You can see the corresponding hole here. That clip goes behind there. And then there's the clip in the front that goes obviously here. Once you get the part out, very simple. Just, there's 4 tabs on each 4 tabs total, 2 on each side. And then this part, you just push, once you relieve the tabs, can you see them there? I don't know if the GoPro picks up on that. You can see the tabs. This plastic is really thin, so go easy. You can break it real easily, I imagine. And then just, once relieve it, just push the buttons down. This whole assembly will come out. Looks like this. This is the old one. All right, so you just push down to drop it out. There's the tabs there on the new part I was just talking about. And, you just get it back together, and it's that simple. Push the plugs in. Push the plugs in, I'm saying here. Let me show if I can get that on the camera. And push this back in and then gently push it down and it locks in. I mean, it's really nothing to it. It's that simple. I mean, the trick is just knowing to really pry from the front. I pried from the back, and then when I pulled this up, I lifted this up, it bent this plastic tab enough to break. So once again, do the front. That's the trick. And they're pretty stiff. It takes a lot of force. I used these pry tools you can get from Amazon. I think I got the box here. Kind of handy thing to have if you're working on dashboards and interior parts, because they're plastic. They won't do a whole lot of damage, because these cars are getting older now, and a lot of these parts aren't available. You're going to be digging through a junkyard, so try not to destroy anything. But hopefully this has helped. Bye for now.